common grammar mistakes? Even sometimes native English speakers say like he don't know or it's raining. Hi everyone, I'm Sangeeta and welcome to my channel. I help you improve your English grammar and writing with simple English lesson every week. So in this video, I will show you 10 of the most common grammar mistakes and how to fix them easily. Mistake number 1. Many people write, "It's raining outside." But the correct one is, "It's raining outside." It means it is. If you can replace it with it is, you need the apostrophe. Mistake number 2. Your versus you are. You're amazing. But the correct one is you are amazing. Your is short for you are. Try saying it aloud. If it fits, that's the one. Mistake number 3. There, and they are. They are going to school. This sentence is wrong. The correct one is they are going to school. So the spelling THERE, there, that means place. THEIR, there, that means possession. And another one, they are. The short form is THEY apostrophe RE. Let me show you some more examples. Word there, THERE, meaning place. I live there. THEIR, there, meaning possession. Example, their house is big. The word they apostrophe RE, meaning they are. They're studying now. Mistake number 4. Then versus then. Many people commonly confuse then and then because they sound similar, but they have different meanings and uses. Here is quick breakdown to help clarify. She is taller than me. This is wrong. Correct sentence is she is taller than me. So than is used for comparison. Then is about time. For example, I will eat, then I will sleep. Mistake number 5. Me versus I. People commonly make mistakes when using me and I. Me and my friend went out. This is wrong. Correct one is my friend and I went out. So always say the other person first and use I if you are the subject. Mistake number 6. Fewer versus less. People often make mistakes when using fewer and less. Fewer and less are both used to describe a similar amount or number of something, but they apply to different types of nouns. There are less students today. This sentence is wrong. There are fewer students today. This is right. Use fewer for things you can count, less for things you can't, like water or time. We use fewer with countable nouns. For example, fewer apples, fewer people, fewer mistakes. We use less with uncountable nouns. For example, less water, less sugar, less time. Apples are countable, so we say fewer apples, not less apples. In another case, water is uncountable, so we say less water, not fewer water. Mistake number 7, double negatives. People often get confused when using double negatives. I don't need no help. This is wrong. I don't need any help. This is right sentence. Two negatives make a positive, so one is enough. Mistake number 8, much versus many. People often get confused when using much and many. Much and many both refers to quantify, but just like less and fewer, they depend on whether the noun is countable or uncountable. How many money do you have? This is wrong. How much money do you have? This is right. So, when we use countable nouns in sentence, we use many. And when we use uncountable nouns in sentence, we use much. Mistake number 9, could of versus could have. Let's break down the difference between could of and could have clearly and simply. I could have gone. This is wrong. I could have gone. This is right. People say it first, so it sounds like could have, but always write could have. Mistake number 10, he don't or he doesn't. We sometimes make mistakes when using he don't and he doesn't. He don't like pizza. This is wrong. He doesn't like pizza. This is right. Don't is short for do not, which is used with I, you, we and they. Not correct with he, she or it. So with he, she, it, we always use doesn't, not don't. Let's review, friends. Here are the 10 grammar mistakes you should avoid. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more English grammar tips every week. See you in next video.